Ando na siya. Ang ganda, guys. Makain. There, outside. Resto. And resto. Wala gaano naliligo. Parang open yung ano nila ngayon, guys. Yung, ay. May naliligo naman pala. Kakain kami, guys. Nasa resto bar na kami. Order na daw siya, guys. Which one you like there? Oh, sizzling bulalo.
Yeah.
You like that?
Yeah.
Okay.
I think that's fine.
Okay. Kagaya na in-order namin dati.
That rice.
And rice. And what sweets more? Juice.
No, I want water.
Shake.
You want shake? Take shake.
Oh, I want shake. That is mango shake, banana shake, pineapple shake, strawberry shake. I like strawberry. Yeah. Pero ako ng strawberry shake. Tapos yung bulalo, ano?
Sizzling po?
Sizzling. Okay, alam niya. And then rice.
What kind of rice po?
Plain rice. White.
Dalawa po.
Dalawa. Okay.
And water.
At saka tubig.
And water.
So, dito na yung order natin, guys. 2 rice at yung ating sizzling bulalo. Ang sarap, guys. Oh my God. Tapos yung water natin, yung free water lang. Additional water. At yung ating strawberry shake. Ayan, very yummy. So, guys, kaya kami dito kami kumakain kasi sulit yung beef na binibili natin, guys. Ayan, tapos meron silang beans, carrots, mushroom. Oh, ngayon meron na silang mushroom. Dinagdagan na ng mushroom, guys. Saka yung, ano, ang yummy, guys. Kain na po. Can I join to you? Siyempre natin yung bulalo kasi mas mayami. We have bulalo sabaw. We have bulalo ano. Dapat gano'n. Design lang pala yung mushroom love is delicious. You need to eat everything this, ha? Kailan ubusin to, ha? Gusto ko yung yung tawid. I love your langaw. Tamo. Why we have green? Hi guys. Joshua.